By default, variables are not nullable in Dart. If we declare a variable and try to use it without initializing, Dart will give us a compile time error. Even you can't assign a null to it. We can make it nullable by adding a nullable sign after the type. We're telling to the compiler that this variable can be null. Now it can hold or print null without any error. We can assign a value like x equal 5 and it will print 5 now. Let's take another variable. If we want to assign x here, it will give us an error because y is a not nullable variable, right? We can solve this in two ways. One, use null check operator. What does it mean? You are telling to the compiler, hey bro, chill. I'm sure that x never will be null. No compile time error, but in runtime, there will be error. Because null check operator is used on a null value, right? And second option, use null aware operator. What's that? It means if x is null, then the default value will be 0, which is a safer option, right? And now if we print this, it will print 0 for y and null for x. Null aware operator, it makes 0, right? But if we assign 5 in x, it will be 5.